Are you looking to boost your career? Let's talk about why you should attend our upcoming webinar. Whether you are just starting out or looking to level up your career, our webinar is designed to give you all the tools that you need to succeed. First, we will dive into CV building. You will be able to make a keyword-friendly CV that stands out amongst recruiters and lands you more interviews. We will cover everything from tailoring your CV for specific roles, integrating it with LinkedIn profile, and much more. Next, we will explore different career niches. Especially if you are a fresh college student, this is going to be of high value to you. Whether a career path that you choose is going to be in product management, marketing, sales, we will cover each of the nuances of how these job roles impact each industry, and this will help you discover a right career path for you aligned with the future of jobs. You will clearly understand the roles, responsibilities, the skills required for every job role or your chosen career niche, and the impact that the job role is going to have in the organization and overall. But that's not all. By attending our webinar, you will get a chance to interact with like-minded individuals, industry experts, other career coaches. You will also improve your overall employability index, build your talent influence, and much more. Remember, investing in your career is one of the best things that you could ever do. Join our webinar and your future self will thank you, and I shall speak to you soon.